Hello dear students, so in today's class we are discussing the very important naming reaction from alcohol phenol topic, that is a Kolbe's reaction. So in previous class already we discussing the Raymond-Tammand reaction, so now we will discuss the Kolbe's reaction. So students, in Kolbe's reaction generally, so by using the phenol we have to prepare the salicylic acid. Okay, so this is a very important naming reaction for NEET, JEE as well as CET. Okay, so very simple reaction. So by using the phenol we have to prepare the salicylic acid. So see the reaction, how this reaction will proceed. So first of all we take the phenol. So this is the structure of phenol, benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring containing the hydroxy group OH. So this is what? Phenol. See students, so in first step, now this phenol is treated with NaOH. Now we can treat it with NaOH. Okay, so we can remove the acidity of this phenol by adding the base, that is NaOH. First we can do this neutralization. So in first step what happened, now this phenol, when this reacted with NaOH, simply it can form into the phenoxide ion, sodium phenoxide. So it can loses the water molecules. See the reaction. So when this phenol is treated with NaOH, okay, simple students. So this OH group and this H2O will remove here. So we can write here minus H2O. Okay, so this hydrogen and this hydrogen H2 and this one more oxygen H2O. So this oxygen. So what remain here? ONA. This whole ONA group will join. So simply here we'll get phenoxide, sodium phenoxide, by losing the water molecules. Okay students, so very simple. This is what? Sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Okay, again this in second step, so this sodium phenoxide we can treat it with carbon dioxide. Okay, and again in third step we can do the hydrolysis. We can add the H plus, means we can add HCl. Okay, carbon dioxide gas we can passes. We can do this hydrolysis process 2 times. So very simple reaction students. So we'll see when we can passes the carbon dioxide gas on that sodium phenoxide, what happened. So first in that step, so this phenoxide remain as it is. Okay, so nothing will change in that phenoxide. So this whole carbon dioxide gas will passes here, means it can convert COO. Already you know carbon dioxide CO2 means COO, carbon and to oxygen. Okay, already you know that. And if you do the hydrolysis, if you add H plus ion, okay, so this hydrogen will join here. It convert into the carboxylic group, very simple. And again students, in third step we do the hydrolysis. There we can add the HCl. Okay, hydrochloric acid we can add. So simply what happen here, so this is intermediates will get. Okay, so I will write here. So when we can treat it with HCl, so this is diluted form, we can say is aqueous. So here we can add HCl. So obviously the bond is breaking here. So the hydrogen will split here and Cl will be split like this. So simply we'll get here OH group. Okay students, so simply this OH will form because oxygen carry minus, this sodium carry plus, and this HCl H carry plus, and this chlorine carry minus charge. So obviously this hydrogen join to oxygen, and this sodium and this Cl and HCl will remove. Simply we'll get this OH, and now this group is as it is, COOH carboxylic group plus. So this is NaCl. Now clear? Very simple. So here we'll get what? Salicylic acid. This is your salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Okay, this is a common name. What about the IUPAC name? This is the first carbon, this is the second, means 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, very simple reaction this one. Now clear students, everybody? So in NEET exam, how they are asking the questions? So they are given this reaction like this. They are given the phenol and NaOH plus CO2 they will give in arrow, and they are given the question mark, and they are asked which of the following correct product in above reaction. Okay, so this much only they will give. Phenol they will give, and sometime they are not given this phenoxide also. Here only they are writing CO2 and HCl, and they are asking what is the product in this reaction. And sometime they are given this whole reaction. Okay, and they are asking what is the name of this reaction. Okay, so very simple. This is what? Kolbe's reaction. And in Kolbe's reaction, by using the phenol, so we have to prepare what? Salicylic acid. Okay, so this is your salicylic acid, benzene ring OH, COH. This is a carboxylic group. Now clear, students? So in this way we can prepare the salicylic acid. I hope everybody understand this reaction. So you take a screenshot. So in next class we are discussing the another important naming reaction. Okay, students, take a screenshot.